Hi, my name is Eric Fittz. I'm the South Central Regional Sales Manager for nVent CADDY Fasteners. Today I've got a product that's very unique and innovative with our company for installing of wire basket support. The product number is WBS 37RL, which stands for Wire Basket Support. 37 designates the size of rod that attaches to the product. And the RL stands for Rod Lock, which is a family of very unique locking, install, and push type products that we have in the nVent CADDY product line. So today I just wanted to demo to you of how this product works. I have some of the samples set up on the table. This is an ideal type of product for any data contractor or electrical contractor that is installing wire basket tray in a facility for future use of cabling for the communication side. So the product's very easily used. Basically, you're going to have our WBS bracket. To install it, it's just a simple push down and pull up type of feature that snaps right on the basket. So what's this doing for the contractor? Several things. So it's going to eliminate the need of having to cut channel strut on a project, which gets very labor and time consuming. You usually have to cut that, you have to grind down the ends, you have to cap that off, you have extra hardware that would be necessary and able to do what we call a trapeze, and then you have your rods coming down. As you can see, this just simply snaps on either side of the basket tray. Our rod-like technology, which we have installed on this particular product, is a very push-in type of an installation. The rod's going to simply slide in each side. Now in an actual installation, you're going to have the rods dropping down from the structure, and the crew's going to lift the basket up to the WBS product and slide it in, which enables them to do several tiers with this configuration because they can slide it up the rods. If they needed to do another level of basket tray with the WBS product on it, it's very easily done. And to conclude, this is one of our most innovative products that we have on the market under nVent CADDY. For additional information, please go to graybar.com or nvent.com/caddy.